Come across an RE file with no clear application association. This is an uncommon extension that could belong to several different software contexts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you identify and work with this unrecognized file type. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value RE file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. RE files are uncommon files whose specific type depends on the context and originating software. The RE extension may be associated with various applications or custom data formats without a single universally recognized standard. Identification requires examining the file contents and the software environment where the file was created or found. RE files have no single published specification, as the extension is used by multiple unrelated applications. The internal format could be plain text structured data or binary, depending on the originating software. Header inspection and contextual clues are necessary for proper identification and handling of these files. Unknown. Software from unknown developer is the core program designed for the RE structure. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows may acknowledge the file extension but cannot handle its internals without specialized tools. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your RE file and choose Open With. Test unknown software first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. When your RE file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent RE file error. First, inspecting the file. Open the RE file in a text editor like Notepad++ to check for readable content. If the file contains structured text, XML, or source code, it may be a script configuration or data file that can be edited directly. If the content appears as binary data, a hex editor like HxD will help identify format signatures. Next, checking file associations. Right-click the RE file and select Properties to see if Windows associates it with a specific application. Check the originating folder for companion files or documentation that indicates the intended software. Search online for the specific file name or folder context alongside the RE extension for identification clues. Finally, trying common applications. Attempt to open the RE file in common applications based on its apparent content. Try text editors for text-based files. 3D viewers for binary files. Found in game directories or development tools for files in source code projects. The file's directory location and neighboring files often reveal the correct application context. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.